my name is Dayan Siebra. Today's video is for you who like spices and use artificial spices, sometimes to give your food a little extra flavor, or someone who cooks at your house and makes it tasteless. So I'm going to talk about spices, but a special spice, saffron. This spice has 10 benefits, 10 properties. I'm going to talk about the 10 here, but there's much more to it than that. Well, saffron is consumed worldwide and is a rich source of nutrients, especially for the brain. That's why I shave my head here today. I came all shaved so you'd understand that saffron is good for the brain. I'm also without my glasses, so any resemblance to E.T. is purely coincidental. And what is this ingredient good for? Saffron, you know? I'm going to ask my assistant here, Arthur, to bring me the saffron, please. Guys, Arthur's only bringing his hand because he's wearing underpants. You can't, otherwise you'll sue me. This is what saffron is, people. Saffron or turmeric, right? People call it turmeric or... Look, what a wonderful thing. You can put it on your plate in seasoning in food. It's delicious. I like it a lot. It's part of Indian cuisine. It's often used to relieve various health problems such as asthma, any luxury. I had any luxury when I was little and my mother would take me to a mountain range, to Serra do Araripe, to breathe pure air. Was it good? Yes, but that wasn't all. Because every illness has an inflammatory aspect, and turmeric is a very powerful anti-inflammatory that the world gives us, the earth gives us. It helps with insomnia, cancer prevention, and also helps with the response to cancer treatment, chemotherapy, atherosclerosis, Alzheimer's disease, and of course Parkinson's disease. It is also well known by women for alleviating the symptoms of PMS. So, men, find some turmeric to give to your wives. You'll be giving yourself a present. Now, of course, nobody advertises turmeric. Which big laboratory sells turmeric? So who has to talk about turmeric? Dayan Siebra, Lairi Ribeiro, and other doctors out there who don't have any partnerships with big laboratories. It's not in the pharmaceutical industry's interest to advertise turmeric, which is cheap, which is sold in any supermarket. Turmeric also reduces stress, lowers bad cholesterol levels. And men, you can use it. You who are anxious, who can't start having sex, who already ejaculation. It's great for premature ejaculation. In addition to alpha and beta carotene, two very powerful and natural antioxidants, saffron also contains alpha-crocin. It's a carotenoid responsible for the golden color of this place, and it protects nerve cells from the degeneration of Parkinson's or Alzheimer's. So, if you have a history of Alzheimer's in your family, everyone gets forgetful over time, start using turmeric in your daily life. Just a reminder that it can also be called turmeric, which has a substance called curcumin, but people confuse it. Curcumin, turmeric, all the same thing, or false saffron, or turmeric too. You can find it by various names, and it has many benefits. Apart from the antiseptic benefit, it also helps as an antiseptic, as a bactericide, digestive, antioxidant, i.e. anti-aging, anti-stress, anti-tumor. It is a great source of vitamin A. Whenever we talk about vitamin A, we're talking about it being good for your eyesight. So it's great for preventing macular degeneration of the retina. People lose their sight because they degenerate the retina with age a lot of the time. It has folic acid, so that's great too. Riboflavin and vitamin C. All this is essential for good health.
Hey you guys, are you enjoying our content? Why I'm asking this? Because according to our channel analysis, 97% of the people who watch us are not subscribed to the channel. Do you believe this? So I sincerely ask, if you have liked our content, subscribe to our channel. Let's make this content reach everyone around the world, and let's make this a healthier world, okay? So subscribe our channel and God bless you.
But let's focus on the benefits of saffron. 1, weight loss. Want to lose weight? Saffron helps. Do you know why? Because saffron helps increase serotonin in the brain. By increasing serotonin, you feel good and don't eat out of anxiety, sadness, or depression. And it helps reduce attacks by nighttime fridge raiders. The second benefit of saffron, bones and muscle mass. Saffron also helps to develop healthy bones and good muscle mass. If you have osteoporosis, you need saffron. You don't need your doctor to tell you you can already buy it. Why is that? Because saffron contains a high level of magnesium. Look, if you have osteoporosis and you're treating it without magnesium, I'm sorry, you're not treating osteoporosis, because magnesium helps the bones absorb calcium. It also ensures that the muscles and heart function properly. Third benefit, antidepressant. So saffron for depression, take that medicine with the black stripe. You're not going to give up your black stripe for the time being, but start taking saffron. So as we've already seen, it helps in the production of serotonin. It also helps with depression. Fourth benefit, antioxidant. We've also seen that saffron scavenges this chemical waste from our bodies, which are free radicals, preventing premature aging and cancer. Ah, but I won't get cancer. I'm not saying you won't get it, but you'll greatly reduce your risk of getting it. Fifth benefit for the oils. So they help the carotenoids in saffron. They help mainly, as we've already said, with macular degeneration, but even better in preventing cataracts. Ophthalmologists, did you know that? Why would you? Because our medicine only teaches surgery and medicine. Medicine and pharmacy. What's more, as it contains these carotenoids, it helps protect against the sun's harmful rays. But people forget to mention that. Oh, but buy sunglasses with protection. Also, take saffron. Eat saffron. In other words, your eyes will be stronger and more protected against aging. Sixth benefit, heart. So, saffron helps reduce oxidized LDL and triglycerides. Anything that does this improves the heart. Seventh benefit, cancer prevention. Saffronol crocinium. They have properties that can help inhibit tumor growth in the body. Check it out. If you have a relative who is suffering from a tumor, give them saffron. And these substances have been shown to be effective against cancers, especially in the liver, intestinal and ovarian cancers. Eighth benefit, memory. It is precisely the crocinium and quercetin in saffron that help protect our memory as antioxidants and help us stay away from Parkinson's and Alzheimer's diseases. These are degenerative brain diseases. Parkinson's is the one that shakes like this. And Alzheimer's is when you forget everything. Ninth benefit, skin. Saffron's antibacterial properties can be very useful for the skin, especially for those who have a face full of pimples, as I did when I was a teenager. Saffron extract can also be manipulated. It helps reduce acne and pimples and can even be applied directly to the affected area. Can you imagine? In my day, we didn't have this possibility. At least we did, but we didn't know about it. Today we know. Saffron also acts as a natural exfoliant and can help remove dead skin cells. 10th benefit, it helps with arthritis. Red arthritis is inflammation of the joints. You get sore, inflamed joints. And as saffron has an anti-inflammatory effect, it will help with arthritis too. It also helps to reduce wear and tear degeneration. It helps to reduce wear and tear on the bones, one hitting the other. In arthritis, especially arthritis, the joint becomes like a lock, like a hinge without oil. The bones wear down as they hit each other, and saffron helps to reduce this wear and tear. And it can be taken as a benefit, especially for obese people who know that if they don't lose weight, they'll get arthritis and arthrosis. So it can be used to prevent this. What are the contraindications? What about side effects? First of all, pregnant women can't use it because it has an abortifacient effect, right? But don't use it. If you're pregnant, if it's your baby, don't use saffron. Side effects. You can get a cough, dizziness, insomnia, heartburn, dry skin, and although it's very good for PMS, some women may experience menstrual cramps. So this is very rare indeed. What is the dosage? The dosage, for example, for PMS, for depression, is 30 milligrams a day divided into 2 doses. You'll need to ask your doctor to make it for you. As for antioxidant properties, it's 50 milligrams divided into 2 doses a day. So start putting saffron in your diet, in your food, in your routine, and you'll benefit. And I want to ask you a question. What properties of saffron interest you the most? What recipe do you know for using saffron in everyday life? So if you liked it, share this video, like it, comment below. And in the end, long life, compassion, health, and God in your heart. Cheers, everyone.